The guy creates his own weather system. He'll set up on there on the
Jack
right.
watched all this.
How many of you think that the
see it.
Flat-Fired
Hopefully.
Jet Truck will win this race?
Oh yeah, watch.
I didn't hear what. How many of you think John Clem will win the race? There it is. All right, here we go. Once this clears out, they're going to go get set down in there, still right.
Can't really see much.
Maryland out there, heels pulling up. Once he gets in position, Maryland running out there now. She's going to take the flag. Now the flag is off. We see John Clem at air still right. Bill Curtis at air still left. Final preparations. The flag is off. Smoke is on. John is inbound. From your right, folks. Get ready. Get set. We see Neil spooling up. Slowly putting the power to it. That's 12,000 horse. Bill Curtis at air still left. John Clyde there, still right. Smoke is on there. You see the black smoke coming out of Neil. John Clyde's inverted. It's ready. Looking black smoke. and Bill just kind of doing a table stand up there really slow.